no better way to flex on your friends than with an Alpha Gaming Desktop. The ABS Adenine Alpha PC is stacked with the power and pizzazz any serious gamer would want. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, back again with another episode of Unbox This. If you're not following me on Instagram, find me there as @DevinHoward. Today we're digging into the Adenine Alpha Gaming Desktop, a superior full PC build that'll power your game sessions all day and night long. Equipped with top-of-the-line features, this mid-tower case was built to handle heavy-duty gaming. It has the latest Intel Core i9 processors, as well as the Asus Gaming GeForce RTX 3090 GPU. But there's a lot more to this build, so let's get into it. It is time to unbox this. Time to unbox this. Piece of cake, so easy. Wow. I'm excited. But this is gonna be tough to get out, I can already tell. Let's call in Nico.
Go here.
There we go, nice, nice. Teamwork, Nico did all of it.
It's all teamwork. Aha!
Nice! Woo! All right, high five, Nico.
Woo!
Whoa! First up, we have the Asus antenna. Next up, we have a spare RGB pump head. This is if you prefer the translucent white as opposed to the black that's already installed in the case. In these bags, we have some brackets, we've got screws here, and all of the cords and connections that you're going to need. Ooh, there's a lot in here. Basically, what you're going to get if you choose to order the Adenine Alpha Gaming Desktop is everything that you're going to need to get it up and running. We've got a bunch of different cords and connectors. We've got screws, we've got brackets. It's a fully built out PC, but you can still go in and hook things up, swap things out, change things around so that it's completely optimized for whatever game you're playing. Now, of course, we also have some information guides. This is for your Asus Z690 Plus motherboard. You also get some stickers. And this is your information pamphlet about the Corsair Obsidian case. Now finally here you have your Adenine Alpha Gaming Desktop Quick Start Guide. Alright you guys, so clearly there's a lot going on here, and that means we have a lot of details to dive into about this PC, so let's clear off the table and we'll get into it. Okay you guys, so we have the Adenine Alpha Gaming Desktop out of the box, and now the moment of truth, we have to turn it on and see what the RGB lighting does for us. So let me press the on button right here. Ooh, look at that! So if you're looking for a PC that comes fully decked out with everything you could want, look no further than the Alpha Adenine Gaming Desktop. I know a lot of you like to customize your PC builds, but if you're not into that and you just want something that comes out of the box ready to go, then let me tell you about this one. The Intel Core i9 processor is truly innovative in its performance efficiency mixed core design. The high-end CPU supports the new high-speed DDR5 RAM standard, as well as an upgrade to PCI Express 5.0. It's also optimized for Windows 11. This desktop also comes with the TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card, which provides robust power and cooling. Now when it comes to RAM, you'll have the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 64GB RAM, supplying you with overclocked memory and DDR4 support. You also get that RGB flair with dynamic multi-zone lighting that can be customized with the iCue software. The Adenine PC comes complete with 2TB SSDs and a 280mm CPU cooler that is LGA 1700 compatible. It also comes with Wi-Fi 6 support. All of that is housed within their Corsair Obsidian Series 500D RGB case. Now, one thing that really stands out to me about the Adenine Alpha Gaming Desktop is how it comes out of the box ready to go. You can hook it up and you can start gaming right away, but if you do want to go in and change things around, it's really easy to access the inside of your PC case. So you can open this door and swap things out and access any component that you might need within your case. So you can customize it if you choose to, but you don't need to at all. There's also plenty of opportunities for cable management, so you can keep your PC looking clean and organized. Now, this PC is for the no-fuss gamer who just wants to purchase something pre-built and have it ready to go out of the box. If you want to purchase one for yourself, go ahead and check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!